morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. In previous video or live class, we have finished our 3.1, right? Now today we are going to start our exercise number 3.2, and I made you understand all basic things related to 3.2, that is product or multiplication of monomial by monomial, monomial by binomial, binomial by binomial, and the last one was binomial by polynomial. You may multiply easily. Now next one is 3.2. I'm going to solve some questions. I'll solve 2 or 3 questions from each. 2 to 3 from each, and rest you will try from your side. Okay? So let's start today's work. That is 3.2, question number 1. In this one given, find the product of the following pair of monomial. These are monomial. So I will take here question number C, D and F. Okay? C, D and F. है ना? These 3 questions I will take. Now see. C is minus 2 multiplied by 2a square b. First one, minus 2 multiplied by 2a square b. How to multiply this? Very easy. This will be equal to C, multiply constant with constant. 2 2 ja, you can see 2 2 ja, 2 2 ja 4 with minus sign, plus minus minus, and this will be a square b. Finish. No need to do any other thing, more thing. Okay. Next is question number D, 4x cube x square. Number D, 4x cube and x square. This is given, so we will multiply, means product sign we can take. So this will be equal to 4 multiply by, यहाँ देखेंगे आप, x and x. Both are having same base. If bases are same, then power will be added. So 3 plus 2 equal 5. X power 5 means we can write 4x power 5. Correct? Next one is last 3rs and 2rs. This is question number F. F is 3rs. 3rs multiply by 2rs. Correct? Now how to multiply? By same method. 3 multiply by 2, 3 multiply by 2, then r multiply by r, then s multiply by s. So 3 2 ja 6, r multiply by r square, s multiply by s square. So finally this will be equal to 6 r square s square. Hope you understood. इजी है, इसमें कोई ऐसा मुश्किल काम नहीं है जो समझ में आने में दिक्कत हो. इट इज वेरी इजी. द नेक्स्ट वन इज फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल विद द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ मोनोमियल एज देयर लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ रेस्पेक्टिवली. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ आर गिवन. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल? L into B. What is the area? L multiply by B. So see number 2. First of all I will write area. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiply by breadth, as we know very well about it. Okay, so number 1 question A. Question A is PQ and 3PQ. In this one L is PQ and B is 3PQ. Correct? Can we multiply them? Yes. So area will be equal to L multiply by B will be equal to कितना होगा ये? L is PQ multiply by B is 3PQ is equal to 3 multiply by P multiply by P and Q multiply by Q. So this will be equal to 3P square and Q square. Got it? P square, Q square. Done. Simple है. By the same method you can take other also, like question number E I am taking here. E. E this one 12 mm, 12 mn and 10 mn. Okay, L is given 12 mn and B is given 10 mn. ठीक है. Now what to do? L is equal to 12, so area will be equal to, just multiply 12 mn multiply by 10 mn. जब हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 12 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय m मल्टीप्लाई बाय m and n multiply by n to n. So this will be equal to 12 10 ja 120, m multiply by m square, n multiply by n square. When bases are same, power will be added. Bases are same, power will be added. Just add the power, do nothing else. Okay, I'm going to erase this one. Again, next question is, I have erased that one. Find the product. Find the product only, nothing else. Okay, so number A, can we take, in this one 3 monomials are there. How many? 3 monomials are there, and one by one we will solve. One is AB, BC, CA. Correct? These 3 are there. AB, BC and CA. How to solve? Just multiply. AB multiply by BC multiply by CA. Take all together. And how to take? See, A and A, just keep them together. B and B, just keep them together. C multiply by C. So this will be A multiply by A square. B multiply B square, C multiply by C square. This is the product of 3 monomial. Always keep in your mind about signs. Keep in consideration what sign is there. Here all are positive, you may write as it is. Then write like in next question you can see question number C. C is minus m minus n minus m square. Correct? This is given. So different signs are there. First of all, we will take in product form. M multiply by minus n multiply by minus m square. See, as we know, we have learned in previous classes also, if negative sign is in odd number 1, 2, 3 times, then minus will come. Minus minus plus, and then again plus minus will come. Correct? So how to multiply? Let's do. Minus m will be equal to, और पहले देखो m के पास ये रख लेते हैं, minus m multiply by minus m square multiply by minus n. देखो इसका प्रोडक्ट तो प्लस का ही होगा, तो प्लस का कर देते हैं. बेस आर सेम, पावर विल बी एडेड, सो m क्यूब, दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2 and multiply by n. समझ में आ गया होगा? So this will be equal to m cube n. करेक्ट? ये था आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ऐसे ही डी में देखो आप, एक और देख लेते हैं डी. व्हाट इज इन डी? डी है -2r 5s -3rs. ठीक है? -2r 5s -3rs. This is given. How to solve? Same method. Will be equal to -2 multiply by, देखो पहले इसको लिख लेते हैं, -2r multiply by 5s multiply by -3rs. Correct? Now next is will be equal to, multiply करो all constant term together. Take all constant term together. So how will you take? This is -2 multiply by 5 multiply by -3. Then after that r multiply by r, these two r are there, and s multiply by s, these two are there. Okay, so this will be equal to, minus and minus plus will come because two signs are there and these are in even number. So now next part will be 2 5 ja 10, 10 3 ja 30, and 30 will be of plus sign. 30 r multiply by r square, s multiply by s square. Done? Easy. This is easiest one you can say. Okay, ये था आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Can we take now next? Find the volume of rectangular boxes whose dimension are. So in this one, fourth question, volume. First of all, I would like to say about volume. What is the volume of rectangular box? Rectangular box is called cuboid, right? You know what is rectangular box? This is rectangular box. ये देखो, such type of box is called rectangular box, and this is actually cuboid. What is this? This is cuboid. Okay, so this is cuboid. What is the volume of cuboid? That is equal to L multiply by B multiply by H, right? B L B H. So here any one question only I will do. In fourth one I'm just taking number B. Okay, fourth one number B I'm taking. Rest are same. L, B and H are given. Okay, देखते हैं क्या क्या है. L is 3x square, 4x square and x square. 3x square, 4x square and x square, right? Can we put this value? So here volume will be equal to, just multiply LBH. Okay, so 3x square multiply by 4x square plus x square. Multiply करो 3 multiply by 4 multiply by 1, and here x square multiply by x square. यही है ना इसमें? हाँ, और multiply by x square. So 3 4 जा 12. X square, x. See, all bases are same. If bases are same, then power will be added. Just add power. So power will be 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. This is your volume. Unit cube में होता है volume हमेशा. किस में होता है? Unit cube. ऐसे ही आप स्क्वायर में भी आप unit square ले सकते हो. Correct? ये था आपका fourth question. Now find the product of the following. Next one more question is there. Find the product of the following. अब product करना है simply. देखो मैप में जो difficult लगता है ना, number C I will tell you. If there is any problem, you may ask. Via comments I will reply 100%. But you are not asking. Okay? So let's see. देखो, question number 5. In this fifth one, I will see C. Okay, what is the question? That is 1 upon 2 t square minus 1 upon 2 t square, then 4 upon 3 y square x, and then last one is minus 2 upon 3 x square y. What we have done up to now, the same method we will follow, nothing else special. Okay, nothing is special in this one. Just watch it carefully. This will be equal to, देखो क्या आएगा? All constant will be multiplied to each other. We have to find the product only, ना? Just multiply. Minus 1 upon 2 t square multiply by 4 upon 3 y square x multiply by minus 2 upon 3 x square y. समझ में आ गया होगा यहाँ तक? Next one will be equal to minus 1 upon 2 multiply by 4 upon 3 multiply by minus 2 upon 3 multiply. अब देखो p, x, y and x square. ये सारी चीजें हम ले सकते हैं. चलो. So here p square और तो नहीं है, leave. Multiply by x ले लेते हैं. x multiply by x square. After that y square multiply by y. Anything left? No, everything we have taken. This will be equal. देखो ये अगर divide होता है तो कर दो, नहीं होता है तो as it is छोड़ दो. So what we will do? 2 1 जा 2 and 2 1 जा 2. So 4 1 जा minus 4. 3 3 जा 9. This is t square. This is x cube. Base are same, power will be added. 2 plus 1 equal 3 and y means y cube. ये हो गया आपका. Correct? This is the way to do this thing. Okay, hope you understood. Up to 5 questions we have done. Try 6 and 7 and up to 5 you will finish in your notebook properly. Everyone. Okay? So today this is enough. At least 2 times you will watch this one, then only it will be easy to understand. At least 2 times you will have to watch. है ना? 2 times देखना इसको. Thank you. Have a nice day.